Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, you're probably considering canceling your First Progress credit card in 2025. Maybe you've paid it off, improved your credit, or just need a change. Whatever the reason, I'm here to make the process simple and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First off, before you even think about canceling, double-check your account balance. Log into your online portal or review your latest statement to ensure there are no outstanding payments. You don't want any surprises, as most companies won't let you cancel if you owe money. This step is crucial for a smooth exit. Once you're all clear on the balance, gather your essential details. That means having your card number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and any other verification information handy. This will speed things up when you contact customer service. Next, reach out to First Progress directly. You can find their customer service number on the back of your card or on their official website. Give them a call during business hours. Aim for a quiet spot so you can hear clearly. When you connect, politely explain that you want to cancel your card. The representative might ask a few questions, like why you're canceling, but you don't have to go into detail if you don't want to. During the call, make sure to request verbal confirmation of the cancellation and ask for it in writing too, either via email or mail. This protects you from any potential issues down the line. Be patient. The whole process might take 10 to 15 minutes. Afterward, keep an eye on your credit report. Use services like Credit Karma or annualcreditreport.com to verify that the account is closed and there are no errors. It could take a month or so for everything to update. One last thing. Remember that canceling a credit card can affect your credit score, especially if it's your only account. Weigh the pros and cons before proceeding. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and take care.